Advocate Lagrange Ferreira, Divar Comunidad, also legal advisor. From a legal point of view, what are the challenges facing the Comunidades today?
The Comunidades today are facing the challenges of the properties of the Comunidades. Now what is happening is the properties have been taken by people who don't actually have, are being taken illegally. So therefore this is a challenge to the Comunidad to get it rectified.
Illegally in what sense? Tenancy?
Illegally, yes, tenancy. And of course it's tenancy. It is tenancy. What we are talking about is agricultural tenancy. And people have jumped into this taking advantage of the law.
So they have got hold of large areas as tenants?
As tenants, but they have not proved themselves as tenants. That is the point. Now when you say you are a tenant, you have to prove yourself as a tenant. You have to show that you are a tenant, and then only you can say that you can hold the land of the community.
So because of tenancy, the Comunidades have lost their main source of income?
Yes, because of this issue, the Comunidad has lost the main source of income. So what is it? Due to the illegal tenancy that has taken place. Now the Comunidades who are trying to revive themselves have to clear this illegal tenancy. So once this happens, then the Comunidad will start earning rents.
Yeah.
So once they start earning the rents, then they will have income to pay to the villagers, whoever are this thing.
Right.
This is the purpose of the Comunidad.
Yeah.
The Comunidad have to earn out of the properties. People cannot usurp lands.
Correct.
Once you start usurping lands, then Comunidad has got nothing.
The golden goose is gone.
The golden goose is gone. So the Comunidad now have to come out. Now most of the Comunidad are sleeping, but
Yeah.
they are now waking up. So with this happening, I think good things will come through, and the government will also jump in to help the Comunidades to revive and to get the illegal things sorted out.
Yeah. In terms of the government, is its attitude helpful, or if the components put more pressure, they can change, or what?
Yes, the Comunidades have to guide the government, because what is the Comunidades have got a code by itself.
Yeah.
They have got a law by itself. So the law itself speaks everything what the Comunidades have to do and what they should not do. Now with this law in hand, it is up to the Comunidades to advise the government what is to be done. Now it is the duty of the president, who is now elected today,
Yeah.
to liaise with the government.
Yeah. One of the main problem has been the fields and the fallow fields. There is a section within the Comunidad code where the Comunidades could take over, but is this happening? Can it happen? It's not happening.
Yes, now this is a very difficult thing to answer, question to answer, for the simple reason is that this point has not been taken for a long time.
Okay.
And not been taken for a long time, people have taken advantage of the situation.
Yeah.
So what I am thinking, what my thought in this is that if it is brought into a legal aspect, then I think it can be sorted out. The illegal people can be disarmed from the properties, and the fields can be reverted back to the Comunidad so that they can earn revenue out of the fields.
Technically speaking, can Comunidad land be sold or alienated or passed on to
technical land cannot be sold.
Descendants?
No, it is very clear. The Comunidad land cannot be sold,
I see.
but they are given it on lease.
I see.
Comunidades can give it on lease.
So it cannot be sold?
Cannot be sold. No way it can be sold. Lands cannot be sold.
I see.
Though they say that lands can be sold and all, I do not know on what basis they talk about lands being sold, because see, it's an interpretation of the law.
Yeah.
Now what is happening here is certain people have interpreted for their own
Benefit.
So it all depends on how each Comunidad is going to react to this part
Yeah.
of the law.
It's a big challenge, but a very important one, because I think Goa's future, Goa's skyline, Goa's greenery depends on.
It should not go astray, no. Now what is happening? The Comunidades are there to look after the land of the village.
Yeah.
So that is the purpose of the Comunidad. Otherwise, what is the purpose? If there is no land, then there is no Comunidad. So if there is no Comunidad, then all these things should not be there. Then they say that they get defunct and all that type of a situation
because of this.
Because of this.
Thank you so much.
Nice to talk to you.
Same here.